Your hairstyle looks good on you. Thank you. Thank you to our hairstylist. Kuya Mark. Miss na namin ng corn hub. Me too, guys. But nagkataon na it's like magkaibang mundo and all these things happening. Isang kayo naman, ina-attack lang ng postpartum. Oh no! Congrats on your baby. I'm zoning the way out. Whoa. Ang tagal ng kanin ko. Gutom na ako. Aba siguro pila sa kainan. Pula, pula, pula. Pula, pula, pula. I like the song Pula though. I love it. Si Miss Malu, she's watching. Hi Miss Malu. Nakauwi na po ba kayo ng Manila? Or you're still in New York? Belated happy birthday po ulit. Hi Ate Rose. Tiya, magka-birthday kami ni Ken. Tagal pa ng birthday nyo. Miss Kia! Hi Miss Kia. Sorry, I'm seeing your messages. I just don't have the power to read it yet. Like, I know you'd understand. Oh, English. Hi, Miss Malu. Isang dahon nga. Dahon. Walang dahon dito eh. Isang TMI naman dyan. What's my TMI for today? TMI ko. I don't know. Mamaya pag may naisip ako. Sa Ate Rachel, nunood din. Ano gusto mong Pokemon? The Pokemons na gusto ko are most of the grass type starter Pokemons. I like grass bug type Pokemon. So medyo may hinang type. Because I feel like, I don't know, meron akong, ewan ko kung may ganong syndrome. It's like, alam niyo yung, mas gusto ko yung weak and then trying in, I don't know, it's hard to explain. Yeah. Shout out from New Jersey. My family, such a fan of SB19. Hello po. UK, Ken Berry. Pag-greet baby ko, first B-day na niya. IO, name niya? IO? What? Why did you name your baby IO? So, Vowels. So, ang nickname niya ay Vowels. Hey, Vowels. Happy birthday, Vowels. Berms, oy, Berms. Gaya sa Canva. Di pa ako nagtatanggal ng makeup. That's why nag-live ako kasi may makeup pa ako. But once dumating yung rice ko, I'll just eat and then I'll say bye to you guys. Hey! Hey. Pag-greet, happy birthday, Jambri. Jambri. Sino nagpag-greet? I thought I know her. Are you excited flying to Japan? Yes, I am. But mainit dun. Yung weather here, it's so nice. It's so perfect. I mean, it's kind of cold, but it's tolerable, you know. Parang the mix of sun, the heat of sun plus the cold wind, it's perfect. I hope ganun yung weather sa Philippines. It's perfect. Alam nyo ngayon, I'll just kwento something. Kwento, meron akong, I mean, I've been playing this game ever since. Like, I don't know, since our first tour, like 4 years ago, ganyan. Pero now, na-addict na naman ako sa kanya. Not because I've been to the Riot office, but kasi nilalaro ko siya. Just this, si Maki nanood. What's up, habang buhay pansamantala. Hindi, bago na pala, Just rest on my luck, put your luck on luck. So just rest on my luck. Okay, back again to my story. Ano nga yung kinikwento ko? Yun. So, kasi, nung bago kami lumipad going to LA, I was thinking if I should bring my laptop and my Switch. And sabi ko, no. I just bought a new tablet kasi sabi ko, masyado mabigat yung laptop. Baka hindi naman ako makalaro because we have a very hectic schedule, and Switch naman din baka like it's mabigat or madami na akong dala, parang ganyan. So sabi ko, okay, I'll just bring my tablet and my hello Aurum. Bakit Aurum? 18 na sila, uy. So dinala ko tsaka yung ko, regalo ni Miss Kia. Show you. I forgot what it's called. Cold, malamig. What it's called? It's like a book. It's a book. Para siyang ano yung tawag dun? Basta yung book na ano, pero it's so small. Look. Tadan! And I'm reading Remarkably Bright Creatures. So, ang galing kasi tumalo na naman yung story ko. Di ko na nakwento yung game. Pero babalikan ko yung game. Okay. So, nung bago lumipad, pinanood ko yung Remarkably Bright Creatures sa Netflix. Tapos it's so nice. Like, nakakaiyak siya and it's so cute. The story is cute and wholesome but it's heartfelt. Gusto ko yung mga ganong movies. Tapos very cozy and aesthetic ng settings. So you should watch it. It's my recommendation. And I'm reading the book. So, ang nangyari, dinala ko to, tsaka yung tablet ko. So, syempre, binasa ko na rin. Sabi ko, it's okay. Mas na-imagine ko siya kasi pinanood ko yung movie. Uy, si Inigo. What's up, Inigo? Kamusta? Grabe naman yung kuya. Maka kuya. So, anyway. So, ginamit ko lang siya. Palipad to LA. So, nung nagwe-wait kami ng flight, hanggang sa flight, tapos di ko na siya hinawakan ulit. Oops! Ngayon ko na lang siya ulit hinawakan. Kasi na-addict nga ako sa game dun sa nilalaro ko sa tablet. So, nilaro ko siya ulit. So, tagal kong di nilaro. It's called Legends of Runeterra. It's the card game of League of Legends. So, the Runeterra, the characters there. If you've watched Arcane, so nandun din yung characters doon. It's a card game, pero it's mobile online. Na-addict ulit ako sa kanya. So, binalikan ko siya. Kasi nga, I don't know, I just wanna play it. Tapos, nung nilaro ko siya, na-addict na naman ako. I can't stop playing it. Like, kung hindi ako nag-live ngayon, I would be playing it right now. Like, that's the last thing also that ginawa ko bago mag-start yung show namin kanina. So, tapos I'm so happy kasi nga we've been to, sabi ko, nagbabalik ako with Legends of Runeterra, tapos naglalaro ako ng League, and then I've been waiting for the new set of TFT. And then, what was it? Tapos mag-visit kami ng Riot office. So I'm so happy. It's so nice. It's so good. It's so refreshing. Sobrang it's, basta, the feeling is, unexplainable. But ayun, so nilaro ako ulit ng Legends of Runeterra. It's a card game online. Tapos so meron to, I don't know, sa mga naglalaro ng games, meron sa mga games Battle Pass. League of Justin. Naglalaro ka ba ng League, Inigo? Or something ng games? I don't know. So, di ba may mga battle pass? Nung nag-start ako maglaro nung flight going here, which is like 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks na ba? 3 or 2 weeks ago. Ganun na lang din yung duration ng battle pass. Like, mag-e-end na yung battle pass. So, mag-e-end na yung battle pass tomorrow. May deadline siya. And I have to collect experiences to finish it. Points para matapos yun. Sa sobrang addict ko, natapos ko na siya ngayon. With just, usually I think yung battle pass is like, actually di ko alam, 2 months or, hi Ate Thea, si Ate Thea from Spit Manila. Thank you po kasi we have improv section, improv Spit inspired part sa namin, sa fan meet namin. It was really fun. Pag nag-break po kami, apply po ako sa Spit. I wanna do it again. Okay, na-distract ako. Anyways, ayun. So, na-addict ako. Natapos ko yung battle pass. Tapos, binili ko tuloy siya kasi natapos ko. Sayang naman yung points. Thank you po, Ate Thea. Tara na. Sali. I wanna do hindi ko pa yung last time, gusto ko pa sumali sa I Have a Friend. I have a friend whose name is... Sige, maglaro tayo dito. Ano? Wala pa yung rice ko. Malamig na yung siomai. Well... Sige, sinong pangalan? Bigay kayo pangalan. Uy, si Chingu. Hi, Chingu. Okay yan, next natin. Yay! Sali ulit ako, Spit. Sali ulit ako. Do you play Valorant? I do, yes. I just started playing Valorant this year. As in... Okay. I have another kwento about Valorant. So before, nung naglabas ng teaser about Valorant, I'm so excited. Kasi, ay, ang galing, it's like, was it third person? It's like, ano ba? Parang shooting game siya ng League of Legends. So, I'm expecting na League characters yung nandoon. Tapos, biglang, ay, may baril. Para pala siyang Counter-Strike. Wala, sinisipon ako. Para pala siyang Counter-Strike. Sabi ko, pero may powers. Sabi ko, ay, ano ba yan? Hindi pa League characters. Ayoko na nga. So, nagdaan maraming taon. Naging, ay na yung rice. Okay, BRB.
What? I was like, wait, why does that look the same?
Do I need
Just right here.
It's your album. Oh, the one you got from...
Here pa. Mamaya na po. Thanks. Good night po.
Oh, really?
Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Thank you for having me. No, thank you so much. Well, okay, pag may makasama ka, libre mo na. Kasi K-pop world? See you at K-pop world.
You should go. Bye-bye. Thank you guys. Good night. Okay. I have my rice now. Rice. Wait lang. Narinig yung mga,